Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Venus token. In today's video, I want to show you a big falling wedge that Venus token has formed on the weekly time frame, and we will also take a look at this breakout from this ascending triangle on the 4-hourly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here, Venus has formed a very big falling wedge pattern. And here we had a very strong support zone that starts from $15.5 and goes to $13.3. But the price line broke down this support. We had a very nice bounce here, but again we dropped here. And we had some sideways moves, 1, 2, 3, and 4 candlesticks, and after that we broke down the support. This was a very significant support zone, therefore now it has turned to a very strong resistance. And you can see that recently we are rejected here. In Feb 2022 we were rejected when we moved up, and we confirmed this support as a resistance, and again we moved down. If we switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see this rejection more clear and in a visible way. You can see that after this testing this level, the price line moved down, but still it is moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern, and now we are reached the resistance once again. Now if we take a look at the stochastic, yes, stochastic is extremely oversold, and we have received a buying signal by the stochastic. Like this blue line has crossed up this orange line, that is a buying signal from the oversold zone, and at the same time we are at the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore the probability is high that this time we can break out the resistance of the falling wedge. But after breaking out the resistance of the falling wedge, we need to break out this resistance zone as well. And you can see that we also have this exponential moving average 21, exactly where we have this support zone from $15.50 to $13.30. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, and here we can see that we have recently broken out the resistance of ascending triangle. This resistance is at $9.5. If I place a trend line here at $9.5, then we can see that even previously this in the immediate short term, this support has been breaking as a resistance and support. Like here it was breaking as a support, here, as a support here as well. And once it was broken down, here it confirmed it after breaking down as a resistance, moved down. We had rejection, and few more rejections here, and with the powerful bullish divergence we have broken out the resistance of this ascending triangle. Now we are retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And if we take a look at the target for this triangle now, then our target can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point at $11.30, and we have already achieved this target. But after this retest, the price line can again move to this target, and this can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity. After this breakout, the price line moved down, so we can again buy it here and place our sell orders here. But if we want the bigger perspective, then we can see that this breakout is very important for the bigger breakout as well, because the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern is approximately at $10.75. Now if we are going to hit this target, then we are also going to make a very powerful attempt to break out this very big resistance of the falling wedge pattern. The target for the falling wedge can be here at the top of the wedge, that will be approximately at $145. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.